Hey guys, Brian here from Solid Woodworks. So I just wanted to show you a little idea that I did in this SUV conversion in a Nissan Xterra, something that you could possibly try to use in one of your conversions. So I just want to show you a little walkthrough on how it works. So as you can see, I did a little bed setup in here with a little floating drawer. What I wanted to show you was this little concept and idea I came up with to give you this little extra room. If you wanted to push your seats forward and fold them forward, this little setup right here gives you an extra 10 inches or so for headroom, legroom, whichever way you're gonna sleep. So, I wanna show you how it works. I'm gonna set this GoPro down here so you can see when I lift it up, the brackets look like. You lift it up, have a hand on both sides, pull it up, click, click. When you go to put it down, push both in on both sides, push it down, that easy. Let me try it again from a different angle right here. Same thing, lift it up, click, 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 goes back down. Super simple, really strong. I think these brackets say they can hold like 100 pounds or something like that. Click, click. So, awesome little idea, one for each side. I'll put a link in the bio below to the hinges. They're kind of like an RV style folding table hinge. Work perfectly for this because they're only about 9.5 inches long. So for this purpose, it worked great. Just a little conversion idea. Hope to see you again soon. Links to some more videos up in the corner here, and hit subscribe if you want to see some more content. Posting new stuff every couple weeks. Thanks for watching.